6 minus 2 gives us 4. Now the expression becomes 4 divided by 2 minus 2. 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. And 2 minus 2 is just 0. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we handle parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. And for multiplication and division, we move from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression we have 2 subtractions and 1 division. According to the PEMDAS, division has higher priority than subtraction. So here first we have to do this division, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction, okay? Because division comes before subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this division or this subtraction, it is wrong. So first this division 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. Now we have 6 minus 1 minus 2. In this expression we have 2 subtractions. And when we have more than one subtraction in an expression, we have to work from left to right. Okay? So here, first we have to do this subtraction. 6 minus 1 is just 5. And 5 minus 2 gives us 3. And this is our final answer to this problem. Comment if you got it. Subscribe now to IQ Surge and keep your brain getting smarter every day.